How can you feel defeated with anything wearing Undefeated? Hey my beautiful color pops, and welcome back to the channel. As you can see in the title below, today's video is going to be showcasing some fall lip colors that are very fall appropriate. Now these lip colors are all the Fenty Beauty. In my previous video, a couple videos ago, I did show the duo that they came out with, and that was the minis. Now I'm going to be showing you the regular size, and these colors are pretty much fall appropriate. Now I have been doing some fall looks for you, but those were just the eyeshadow looks. Now for all my dolls and gents out there that prefer not to do the whole eyeshadow, but they like a really pretty lip, this is what this video is about. Now before we get into that, to all of my old subscribers, I thank you so much for continuing to rock with me, and your love and your support is so much appreciated. To anyone that is new and stopping by, thank you so much for stopping by. Please don't leave without showing the channel some love. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel. There is a notification bell that is beside the subscribe button. Please press that so you'll be notified when I post some new content. So let's get right into the video. Now, as I mentioned before, make sure that your lips are always exfoliated and well moisturized before you dive into using lip colors, because it's not very attractive. Now depending on the color, you're going to need a lip liner. So for the first color is a nude, and it's called Unbutton. And that's what it looks like. And because it's such a, I want to say, like, it to me it's going to be very chalky, I'm going to line my lips first, and then I'll be applying this. And I'm shaking it because I did try one of the colors in here and it is very watery, and I'm not sure because the duo set was not watery at all. This formulation seems to be a little bit different, so I don't want any weird surprises, so I'm just going to shake them all up. So I'm just going to be lining my lips, and I'm just using a random brown liner. Any brown liner will work. Now depending on your skin tone, of course, either a lighter or a darker is going to make a big difference. Now when you're lining, please don't leave just a line. Try to blend it out, whether that be with your finger or if you rub it together with your lips, or you can even use a lip brush. So I'm just gonna, the first ones were hard to open, and this one is also very hard to open. Okay, there we go. So I'm just gonna swatch it on my hand first. It has it looks a little bit peachy, so it's like a peachy nude, and it is very watery, as well as the other one that I tried. Okay, so I'm not going to add any more to the top. I'm just going to blend it this way. And then fill in the gap. Make sure that you're blending your liner with your lip color. Alright, so the formula is very watery. It took a minute for it to dry. I had to keep pressing my lips together to get some air in there so it would dry, but now that it's dried down, I really like it with the lip liner. Depending on your shade, again, your complexion shade, choose an appropriate liner. Alright, so the next shade is called Uncuffed, and this is a nice mauvey pink, I want to say. This is the one that I tried out before, so I didn't have much problems opening it this time, but for some reason I just can't get a good grip to open it. Okay, so this is Uncuffed next to Unbutton. Nice mauve. So Uncuffed, which is this one, it dried a lot faster than Unbutton did. I'm thinking maybe now because I did try this one initially, air got into there. It could be that, not sure, but it did dry. I did think initially it was it was wetter consistency, which it still is to me. However, it dried a lot faster than the first one. So that is Uncuffed. I absolutely love this one. I had to try this one first because this is close to the one that I love the most, and that's my Too Faced Queen Bee. So the next color is a very interesting color. So this one is called Underdog, and it is brown. However, it has, I want to say like burgundy undertones. And why are these so hard to open? Okay, here we go. Wow, this is gorgeous. This is absolutely gorgeous. So let's try this one. Holy. Try doing this. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and line my lips using the applicator. So here we have Underdog. And now can you see where I said it's a brown, but it's a brown burgundy and not a burgundy brown? Let me zoom in a little bit. That's Underdog. You guys are all up in my pores, huh? Whoa. Let me hurry and try to take this off before I can't take it off. Okay, so this next one is called Undefeated. That's what that looks like. It is a very deep purple. And there's the purple. Oh my goodness, this is so pretty. And now I'm just gonna line my lips. Tell me this color isn't gorgeous. How can you feel defeated with anything wearing Undefeated? And last but not least, we have Unlocked. And Unlocked normally would not be so much of a fall color, but for a pop of color, I think it's gorgeous for the fall regardless. Now you can wear it by itself, to me. I'm gonna try it on its own, and if it's too bright, I'm gonna add a lip liner. So this is what it looks like. Some might argue and say this is more of a summer color, but that's your opinion. And that's what that looks like. So I changed my mind. I'm going to line my lips. I'm not going to do this without a lip liner. It's just going to look too summery. Lined my lips, and now we're going to add this bright color. On its own, I know it wouldn't work for now as it's fall. I know though for the summertime this would definitely work, and now that it's drying, it's coming together, it's looking really nice. So this might be a little bit overwhelming for some of you, but I think it's absolutely gorgeous. Let me know what you think in the comment box below. Now I envision this with a big chunky turtleneck, or maybe a nice unity scarf with a leather jacket, not a lot of makeup, just basically a base and some lashes or not, mascara, very little eye makeup. This is perfect. I love it. So it looks very effortless, but and it looks effortless. So you can look like you did a lot and you really didn't. You just really added a really bold lip. Now the formula in these are identical to the formula in the duo that she came out with. However, they're more watery, but on the lips the formula feel exactly the same. They feel comfortable, they're not drying. I absolutely love these Fenty Stunna lip paints. So if you notice, all of the colors that she came out with have un in front of them. So there's Unbutton, Uncuffed, Underdog, Undefeated, Unlocked, and the list goes on for the other shades that she has. It starts with un. So what is Rihanna onto? Don't know, but these lippies have 2 thumbs up for me. You know that I ain't gonna tell you no junk. These are given life. I love them. Now when I tried the Uncuffed, I wore this with a mask and there was very, very, very little transfer in my mask. I don't even remember if I saw any, to be quite honest. And my mask was forgive the makeup wipe, but the mask was a color like this and I didn't see any transfer. If there was any, I didn't notice it, to be quite honest. So I hope you love this video and I hope you like the colors that I chose for us. And I say us because all of us can wear these shades. Don't be overwhelmed by a little pink. Just line your lips. Don't be alarmed by a little kind of chalky nude. Line your lips. As you can see, I did it. Now, let me know in the comment box below what your favorite shade was. I don't really have a favorite because I really love all of them. Till next time, guys, I love you and stay blessed.